हेलो नमस्ते एंड आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं। सबसे पहले आप सभी को हैप्पी दुर्गा पूजा, हैप्पी नवरात्रि एंड यस, दिस इज़ द फेस्टिव टाइम एंड बहुत जल्द ये साल भी ख़त्म हो जाएगा। बहुत बहुत दिनों बाद एक्चुअली आप सबसे मुलाकात हो रही है। इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट अ मंथ और मे बी मोर देन दैट। हाय विशाल, हाउ आर यू? थैंक यू सो मच विशाल फॉर जॉइनिंग मी। हैप्पी नवरात्रि विशाल आपको एंड आपकी पूरी फैमिली को। हेलो प्रशांत। ओके, सो टुडे इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल आई वुड से लाइफ, क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल मेहमान है और हम एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग ब्रांड के बारे में आज इस सेशन में बात करने वाले हैं। जैसे कि आपने मेरे पोस्ट अगर देखे हों, द ENQ ब्रांड इज़ हियर एंड मिस्टर सेन गुप्ता विल बी हियर, जिनके साथ हम ENQ ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि मैं इनके कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स पिछले कुछ टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई वांट टू शेयर अ लाइव रिव्यू ऑन दैट। एंड ऑल्सो हम इस ब्रांड के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे। बहुत सारे लोगों के सवाल रहे हैं कि अगर हम स्किन केयर के लिए कोई लोकल ब्रांड पे जाएं तो कैसे जाएं, आई मीन ट्रस्ट कैसे करें। सो दैट इज़ अ थिंग जहाँ पर ये वो प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर ब्रांड्स, लोकल ब्रांड्स, स्मॉल बिजनेस ब्रांड्स लाइव आकर अपने कंज्यूमर्स और ऑडियंस से सारी चीज़ें डिस्कस करते हैं और एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर बिल्डअप होता है, क्योंकि लोग सुनते हैं कि ब्रांड अपने बारे में क्या बताना चाहता है, कितना ऑथेंटिक है। सो मेरा ये मोटिव हमेशा यही रहता है कि मैं स्मॉल ब्रांड्स, लोकल ब्रांड्स को सपोर्ट करूं, उनको ये प्लेटफॉर्म दूं जहां पर वो आके डायरेक्टली आप लोगों से कांटेक्ट करें, आपसे बात करें और आप अपनी स्किन केयर क्वेरीज भी हमारे साथ रख सकते हैं। तो ENQ ब्रांड खास क्यों है, क्या क्या ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और आप क्यों इसे ज़रूर ट्राई करिए, सब कुछ हम बात करेंगे। लेकिन सबसे पहले मैं जो हमारे गेस्ट है, लेट मी जस्ट चेक अगर वो आ गए हैं, मिस्टर अर्नब सेन गुप्ता, तो मैं उनको हमारे इस लाइव में ज्वाइन करवाना चाहूँगी। ओके विशाल, आई एम गुड, थैंक यू सो मच एंड आप भी अपना ध्यान रखें। एंड नवरात्रि इज़ हियर, दुर्गा पूजा इज़ हियर। बीइंग अ कोलकाता गर्ल, आई नो व्हाट दुर्गा पूजा वाइब्स आर, और मैं बस यहाँ दिल्ली में बैठकर उसे फील करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। सो ऑल द पीपल फ्रॉम कोलकाता, बंगाल एंड ऑल द बंगालीज, Shubho Sharodiya Shabaike, and I'm so happy during this time. This is the most positive time of the year that I feel. Okay, so I think let's have a guest. Um, let's see if his. So I think we are joined by the ENQ India and the Organic Beauty. So ENQ India की तरफ से Mr. Arnav Sen Gupta will be here. Sir, could you just rotate the phone so that we could see you? Guys, आपको मेरी आवाज मिल रही है? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
You can hear me? Okay.
Yes.
I think I lost my earphone. Just a second, sir.
I think Arnab is yet to join, right? He is.
Okay, just a second. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So, Mr. Sengupta will be here, right?
Yeah, he'll be there in some time. I think he's already
Oh,
joined. I am not able to
okay.
see him on the video, but I don't
But
know
you
why.
got to, rotate the phone, and there's some network error because people are saying that here. So, आपको थोड़ा सा network देखना पड़ेगा, Karan, if it's possible.
Network, just a minute.
Yeah. And please do introduce yourself. People would love to know. Hi, Neha. Thank you for joining in. So, guys, this is one interesting session today. We'll be talking about the ENQ brand, and we will be talking about the products and क्यों आप local brands और products पे trust कर सकते हैं, organic products पे switch कर सकते हैं. There are a lot of reasons because I have been doing that lately. बहुत ज़्यादा natural और organic products I'm using, and trust me, the results are super good. To be Vishal, we are just trying to get back. ओके, यस आई नो विशाल, देयर इज सम नेटवर्क एरर, तो हम कोशिश करें हमारे गेस्ट का जो नेटवर्क है उसको हम ठीक करें. हाय विजय, हेलो, हाउ आर यू? Happy Navratri to everybody. Yes, Vishal, I know too much of problem. I'm just trying to fix this. So I hope my audio and video is clear. Hello, Bhaiya. Rajan Gupta is my elder brother. Hello, Bhaiya. कैसे हो आप? Hi, Purnima. शुभ शारदीया. Happy Navratri सबको. I think this is one of my favorite time in the whole year. Such positive vibes all around. Though I'm not in Kolkata or Bengal, but I really miss the food. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Can you? We have. Yeah.
Hey.
Driving around.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm just parking the car nearby. I had to go on an emergency, but now it's fine. So I'm just
Okay.
parking it in. We can continue.
Okay.
Yeah, I can
Not
speak.
an issue. Not an issue. I mean, the pandemic has made us do anything and from anywhere, so that's okay completely.
Truly, truly said that. And this
So
actually, I'm in
firstly,
Kolkata right now.
yeah.
It's
Oh,
a Durga Puja season. So
I
it's
can't believe it. Are you in Kolkata? Oh my God. I am
you
getting
can
so
just
nostalgic now.
yeah, you guys can just take the feel of the city. It's completely with
Hey,
banners and
Arnab,
all.
which place are you in right now? Which place is this? I mean, which
This
part of the
this is
city?
this is Lake Mall near Lake Mall, Gadia Hut area, Rajbihari
God,
Gadia
you
Hut.
made me nostalgic. I'm a Kolkata girl from Lake Town, and I'm feeling so
Oh,
nostalgic now.
great. So,
I
so
am
this is
so missing the vibes, and you have given me that vibes. Thank you so much.
yeah. So I think we can start. Like you can continue wherever like you can need it. I am there. I can answer any queries, anything questions. Overall, see to start with, I will say that yeah, the company itself, the name of the company is the full form is the entrepreneurship quotient. Okay, so
Yes,
the like IQ, we believe that everybody has an entrepreneurship factor also. So that's how we started as an entrepreneurship
yes,
company. But when we looked into various aspects of life, when we see common people looking for opportunities, want to become entrepreneurs, so there are many entrepreneurs like you who are looking forward. We are using digital platforms to start business. So we
yes.
found that e-commerce was a very good platform where a lot many people are coming up. Before pandemic, I'm talking about 2016, 17.
True,
And
true.
in e-commerce, when we did a lot of thorough research, we could find that beauty category is one of the category which was showing promising figures in a coming mind. So at that point of time, you can remember Wow, Mama, these kind of brands were just
Yes,
trying
yes,
to gear up. And
right,
today everything is in history, so they are touching 600, 700 crore odd companies. So and they all started with a very small scale online kind of perspective with a very specific need of customer. So see the idea
right.
behind getting into beauty category and creating an organic product was very simple. That people earlier there was two segments which was divided. One was the
Right.
basic product segment, like people who used to buy products up to 200, 300 bucks, like the
Right.
basic
Yes.
common products which were sold through promotions and TV advertisements, right? And
Mm-hmm.
there was a culture in India which was rudimentary culture, where how homemade products were used,
Yes.
right? So, but
True.
suddenly, few good brands, few foreign influence brands came in. Brands like Kama, Forest, these kind of brands started coming up, with
Right.
Patanjali coming into the ground
Right.
and promising for organic products. So
True.
there's a lot many things which happened over last 10 years. And now
Mm-hmm.
what we can see is there's a chunk of customers who are ready to put money. Even you, as a person who is looking for organic product,
Right.
you are specifically looking for ingredient based product, need based products, something which is
True.
pure, which is safe
Right.
for your skin. So that's
Correct.
how the market started evolving. And because e-commerce gave that edge, you can search thousands of products at one place
Mm-hmm.
without
Mm-hmm.
even worrying about which product will be good or bad, or somebody poking his nose into your decision. So that is not happening. You're just going,
True.
scrolling, looking at keywords, like for example, if somebody is looking for an anti-acne, kind of a therapy or something which is
Mm-hmm.
related to that. right? You have n number of options, right? With full videos, and then influencers are there, people who are using it, in a big way, right? So those
Right.
people are, so it's a very open market now. So that's how we thought of, yes, this is a very good segment. And what we found that because organic got that hype, right? Indian organic and all, so there were brands which were too premium in the
Right.
market when we talk about pure
Right.
organic products, right? But if you
Mm-hmm.
see India, the raw materials are readily available everywhere. It's all about bringing that formulation into a meaningful subject, right?
Okay.
And then
Okay.
we started creating a segment where we will be trying to make affordable organic products, pure affordable organic products. So which will
Yes.
be somewhere in between, not the chemical ones or the other than organic ones or natural ones, but no, even not the premium ones in the pricing. So generally you will see the premium products are above 12, 1500 and above. So
Mm-hmm.
they are sold through malls and all. And if you see the e-commerce marketplace, the brands like us, the ENQ, then we have Saint Botanica, these kind of brands,
Yeah.
which are somewhere in middle, right? And which is helping more customers to move from chemical based to organic and natural based. So that was the idea.
Absolutely.
And
Okay.
then the second thing what we did was, what we saw was, to prove yourself as a new company when we started in 2018. So you should have some strong data backup or a scientific background. So that was also required. Luckily, all three partners in this organization, three of us founders, all are from pharmaceutical background. So
Okay. That's
one of my partner was working with companies like Johnson and Johnson, Alcon. So these are the premium
okay.
companies. One of my
Right.
partner was working with Sanofi, Boehringer. So I was working with Boehringer, which is another good pharmaceutical company from Germany. So we have that notion in our mind that products have to be good. Pricing is okay. MNCs, they focus that if you
Right.
make good products, customers will come. Right. So that's how we started, and we first tried to grab hold of few good certifications and try to maximize our process of making products. So that was the first key factor, where we started taking, EcoCert and Cosmos approval. So which is currently in India, if you want to use organic products, pure
Mhm.
organic products, you must be looking for some certificates which are internationally acclaimed. So Cosmos and EcoCert were two raw material approving agencies from where we try to procure only those ingredients. We try to make it in the most purest and the safest form, and that's how we started. And once your product is good, it is a matter of time when you start getting recognition from all parts. So now
That's
today, if I tell
right.
you, we have launched successfully 650 plus products. So that is one of the
Right.
biggest range available in, even I can tell you, India or even Asia is also in organics, right? So, and we are targeting 1,000 products by next year. But every product comes with a specific need, specific area, and so that is how this company is all about. And it is all about
So
young
I
entrepreneurs.
yeah.
Sorry.
I think NQ is catering to every skincare requirement, be it acne, be it blemishing, be it pigmentation, be it your, brightening of the face. So I think
Yes.
moisturizing, right? You are catering to each and every skin problem. So that is an amazing thing that you are trying to cater to each and every problem, and
Yes.
everyone can have problem solved in those products, right?
Adding to that, we are trying to become more customer centric. So let's say if you are
Right.
using an anti-acne serum or any face wash, let's say an anti-acne face wash. Now
Yeah.
we are trying to bring in 4, 5 different ingredient based options also in that. So maybe you want an acne kind of a program, but you may be not liking neem, okay, as an
Right.
ingredient. Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, you must be looking for olive or some kind of different
Yes.
ingredient, mogra or any kind of, so that is
Yes.
also an option with us. So we are trying to bring in 3, 4 options for every suitable therapy or suitable skin regime,
Yeah.
and so that a customer should be happy. So it will go up to a level of customization that you can choose ingredient wise, need wise, as well as quantity wise also. That's the next
There's
step.
a broad list of products that people have where to choose from. So that is one USP which I think the brand has, which I think not all brands have. They have some particular brands, they have some particular products, and they can offer that. But I think TNQ has this amazing quality, and it has so many products which will suit your skin type for sure. And it's organic completely. That's the best part, that people are looking for organic skincare nowadays. Even I myself, as a consumer, would from the time of pandemic, when we were locked inside houses and we did not have those so many options, we were into kind of trying all kitchen hacks and kitchen ingredients that is coming now to product. So that is the most efficient thing we could
So
have.
so the thing is that, see, I want to add into this is that key, moreover, the importance of bringing a good product is, see, homemade products are always good, but the problem with homemade products is, you don't know maybe the aloe vera which you are picking up from your garden, or
Yes,
maybe from a nearby location, or maybe
true.
the turmeric which you are mixing in it. So you don't know which, you cannot be very, very much sure in what quantity and what ratio it has to be there.
Exactly.
Mostly. Right.
That's
Although organic products, so what we believe is that customer should know everything. So what we try to do is, see, our segment is organic and natural. Okay, so there are many brands in the market. I'm not blaming
hmm,
any brand, or I'm not criticizing anyone. Everybody has their own customer base, happy customer base, right?
right.
But what happens is, in India, the concept or organic is, you add 1 or 2% of organic ingredients into a product, the base of the product, right? And you call it an organic.
Organic,
Right.
right.
Yeah.
True.
So we try to maintain these things, that there is something called an organic score for every product. So if you go beyond 50-60%, your purity, your quality goes up and up. Right. So we try to maintain that genuinity. So if it is a 97% organic product, organic and natural, so we will mention that it is a 97% organic. So the customer must know what kind of quality or what kind of products they are using, right?
Yes,
So that is one
absolutely.
more thing. Yeah, and
Mhm.
why we are able to handle so many products is that, as I told you, the company is more about helping young entrepreneurs in the market. So we are targeting. So see, if you see any good brand, let's say today you like any good brand, top brand, so you can like that product, you can use it as a customer. But if you
Yes,
think that I want to become a partner in this organization, I want to become a part in this play, so that is only restricted to top 5-6% people who have a lot of resources in their life, right? So the common
true.
man never gets a touch into the brand, right? In terms of business. So what we are trying to do is, with every product we assign an entrepreneur.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
entrepreneur is trained, groomed to take care and love that product and take it to the market and take it to the next level, right?
That's
For
true.
example, we have an example of Karan here, right? Who actually introduced you to us, right? So Karan is actually, he also loved this products and all, and he started it, with journey with us. So he took few products from us, and now he takes care of those products as an individual. So being a customer also, and being a person who is doing the business, or in terms of growing as a product, so he
Yeah.
takes care, like he can take more care and more love towards the product. So every product is given due respect. So that is where the customer satisfaction
I
comes
think
from.
that's a unique thing that ENQ has come up. I have not heard somewhere a company getting entrepreneurs together and giving them certain products assigned that you have to work and love them and take care of them. So that's a unique thing. And I think somehow you are balancing up and working up with that that pattern of your entrepreneurs, young entrepreneurs. So I think it's a great
That's a
thing.
deadly combination. When you see that the people who are actually using your those kind of products, and they are actually started, working on that product to take it. So their intention always is to have a good product which everybody loves, right? So
Absolutely.
that's how that
Absolutely.
environment ecosystem is developing. So we have more than 200 plus people we are grooming all across the country, from every part of the country. We have people from Leh Ladakh, we have people from Port Blair. So that reach is growing, and the best part is, we didn't ever this company never took any seed funding till now. You know, so
Right.
this is just the hard work of these people coming together as a company, and that's how the at the end of the day, if your product is good, no matter what, even the packaging is not so good, still you will become successful one day. So that is was the concept initial days. Now things have
And
improved.
I would ask you to, the whoever are the potential customers who are watching us, what would you like to tell them about, like why they should, because there are hundreds of brands, why they should go for either ENQ?
Yeah. So see, I'll not only talk about my product as a company because this segment itself needs a lot of push. Okay. So not only our brand. So what I will suggest is any product you are using, right? Start
Yes.
using to see the label. Right, that is the first thing a common man or a woman should do. You will see that 97% products which we use in our daily basis, which we think are the best products or
Yes.
hyped products, they
Yes.
must be having either paraben or sulfate, or will have SLS. So all these ingredients, this is something basic which a person should know. Right, once you know what paraben can do to you, what sulfate can do to you, automatically your thought process will change from there. Okay. And once your thought process changes, once you try, so a very layman example, I myself was new, I was nothing, knowing nothing about cosmetic or personal care. I was a person like who doesn't even give a damn to what I'm using or not, right? 4 5 years
That's
back, once I started getting into this industry, started knowing people, the products, so I get to understand that, you know just it's not only about making your health hair silky. It's not only
right.
that. It's about making it, pure from within. Until and unless your product is, you will love your product, you will feel that you are using something good, right? Till that time you will always feel a long term impact in your hair. So I started using organic product obviously when I we started manufacturing. So
Yes.
the first thing
Yes.
will be to test our own product. So
Absolutely.
first few days I experienced some kind of hair fall
Okay.
initially, right? So I
Okay.
thought that okay, this is not suiting, or that is a common problem with people, what they feel
Yes.
when they start using a different segment of products. No, they will the problem aggravates for a couple of few days, right? But after a
Yes.
period of time, those things settle down, and for a long period of time it was like, there was no such issues with hair, specifically. And Indians are very much, specific about hair or anything else, right?
Yeah.
So then what happened was, I went for a trip and I missed out my personal care regime with me. Okay.
Okay.
So unfortunately, I used to use something which was not, organic for almost 3 to 4 days. Okay.
Okay.
And after using another product, like I'm not talking about my brand, I'm talking about another product too, which is not organic or natural.
Okay.
Then I realized that what good that product was. So see, organic products are not a magic products. Though you apply one and it will change everything. It's not like that. It's more over a long term thing which will keep you, healthy in terms of, your hair breathing, nourishment, everything, right? And as the
Absolutely.
maximum problem, what I believe as a in this industry, as an opinion holder in this industry, is that maximum hair problem is happening just because of the shampoo only.
Yeah, that's true. I agree totally,
So,
totally. I have
so
a victim
if
of
you,
this for a long, long time. So I know this.
yeah, please go ahead.
So, I have been, myself, being a victim of this hair fall thing, and I must tell you, I have tried every other product available in the market, be it my kitchen hack, be it any other product, but I have gone through each and every brand and have tried everything, but the least one which I have tested, which are working, I would rather keep that. And I'm currently actually using your this serum. I am using this for like 3 4 days. I've been using this right now. So let's see how this works for me.
So this, I tell you this, or serum. Actually, the serum in just because you have raised this point. So let me give you a brief. So how did we came up with this? So when we talked about serum in the market, right? Serum was more of a something which gives a shiny texture to your hair and smoothing kind of an effect. So that is the only
True.
use of serums. But mostly they
True.
use silicones, right?
Yeah.
So if you see, so to give that shiny thing
It's
to your hair, right? So
yes.
that is mostly used. So when we were discussing, about product, what to be, like we were planning to bring a serum, but we thought that
Yeah.
what good it makes, right?
Right.
It's only styling, right? Serum is only styling, right?
True.
So then we thought that why not we do something which can help people get nourished with styling. That was the
Right.
first step we thought of, and we started testing it. So we thought of bringing onion and hibiscus, because see, onion, it was itself was a very popular thing which was going on, in
Yeah.
the market. And
Yeah.
hibiscus is something which we have seen is has tremendous results. and no other company has tried this combination. Especially in serum, nobody has tried any ingredient extracts. So that's
Yes.
how we started, and it clicked. So because see, once when you are using something out of style, also if it can take care of your hair, if it can give you a special, because see,
That's nothing
once you do the shampoo and do the conditioner, if you are
good.
using chemical silicone based serums, you are actually harming your hair. So whatever nourishment you are giving, you are just making a layer on the hair, and it is not breathing. So as simple as that. So that's
True.
why it is better to use some which is much more organic, which can help your hair
I think
breathe.
Indian hibiscus have been known for their quality since long, long time back in
Yeah,
Ayurveda also. So there
yeah,
has been
yeah,
a long
yeah.
history.
It's nani maka nuska kind of a thing.
Yeah,
So that is
absolutely.
the only thing what we are trying to do, like bringing those old age things into a more
Right.
palatable form, in terms of users. Because see, it's not possible for a working person to every day go back and mix a few herbs, bring it, mix it, and
True.
then use it. So it doesn't matter. And then if the stability is not there for that thing, keeping it for in the freeze, many people keep it in the freeze and then again use it. So those things are not actually helping people. So that's why this is a very very bright future in terms of company, also in terms of customers also. If you can use, only thing is that habit has to be developed. You need to understand, the most sensitive thing in our body is face. That is our presentation, right? What we say, right? But
Right.
you will also recognize that mostly people will go to do facials for 1,000 and 1,500 and 2,000, even 5,000 rupees, okay, on festivals
Absolutely.
and occasions. But on a regular
Absolutely.
basis, they will use a 40-50 rupees chemical based face wash. They are not ready
That's
to spend 100 200 bucks because they think it is very expensive. So that is
exactly.
something that has to change over a period of time. Because see,
Absolutely.
at the end of the day, this face wash is the maximum thing which you are using on the face in a day to day basis.
Yes.
Right? So,
I would
so
say
those things has to change.
on the point things, I this is absolutely true, and I think very few people understand about the fact that your face wash, your scrub, your skincare things are the most important thing that you need to invest on, rather than on the later outside things. I think if you're investing
Yes.
in good products, that will reflect for sure.
Yes. Then another, like even another product. I hope you must have used that lip balm which we have launched,
Yes,
I guess.
but
Yeah.
it's a totally rock star product, I would say. It's a rock star product. It's working
Again the
amazing.
story. Yes. So again the story was such, because when we
This is
started
such
in
an amazing product. I can't tell you. This is superb. This is superb. Really.
last last to last year, like 2 years back before pandemic, when this product was
Yeah.
launched. So again we were thinking of something into lip regimen, because it was winters that point of time,
Yes.
and we thought of what can be done. So what we have seen is that basically the lip products are also either they are too expensive, either they are very less expensive. Like there are a lot many color based and flavor based kind of lip products which are available.
Yes.
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 So what we found when we did the research, we found that lip balm is basically a mixture of very good essential oils and kind of things. Butter and oil and those things, right?
Yes.
It's
Yes.
not,
Yes.
but what we see is majority of things used are waxes. Okay,
Yes.
so there are different types of waxes to bring that thickness, so that it lasts long. Right?
It's
So we
most
thought of,
common
let's
one.
not do that. Let
Yeah.
use organic based waxes. Let's use
Right.
very in a less quantity, and maximum we will use butters and different types of shea butter kind of things, and which will
Right.
actually give that smoothness within a moment, right? Because see, organic products are blessed because they are soft, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I stand by organic product.
Yeah, so that is why you don't need anything additional to make it count on the lips. And see, what happens was, why we did that. You use any lip balm. I'm not naming any brand or something, which is a small local based brands, or maybe some commercial based brands.
Right.
Once you put it, you will feel very sticky and very moisty kind of thing in the beginning. Okay.
Right.
Now your lips will immediately feel some kind of help, right, immediately. But
Yes.
after couple of hours, you just, once you wash your this, you just put a you will see a layer of wax going off, right? And after that, another half an hour, it will get much more worse than what it was.
Okay. Okay.
And that is called the strategy of selling. So once you will feel another thing more harsh, you will again use that product, to get that instant. So that is I'm not saying people are doing it intentionally, but when we talk about brands which are endorsed by big celebrities, most of the time what happens was to make sure the cost effectivity, you need to make products at a very affordable cost for the customers in the competition. So those things happens. But when you talk about pure organic brands, so now if you go for any premium brand in organic, that lip balm will also cost around 2,300 rupees, just 7 to 10 grams. Now that was something which we didn't want. So that's why we thought, okay, we'll not do much celebrity endorsement. We'll go to the real people, right, who actually use and give their feedbacks, and try
Right.
to make our product much more affordable. So our lip balm, if you see, it is somewhere around 300 bucks, 350 bucks, that kind of range. And that is absolutely, because, and it is also 10 grams instead of 5 grams. Mostly the brands give 5 grams. So we try to give it 10 grams. So why? So that product is itself is cost effective, for people. And once it suits your skin, then you will never go for any other brand. That is the best
People
thing
like
in organic products.
I mean, I'm sure that whoever is using this lip balm, at least me, will never gonna switch this, because this is not just for female. The men of the house are also using this, and they could actually see the lightening that is happening to the lips. The chappedness is going away. So I think in winter, or be it any time of this year, I think you need something of that kind of thing for your lips. That moisturization, which I think the ENQ lip balm does amazingly, and there's no
Actually,
stickiness to it.
if you are using lipsticks, okay.
Yeah.
So if you are using lipsticks on a regular basis, or you are going into the AC, especially corporate women,
Yeah.
for them you will feel that at the end of the day your lips are feeling very much tired, kind of, or a brittle kind of a feeling, where you pain also. Right, so if
Yes.
you
Yes.
can, this is something which is not very much sticky, not very much so it's a pure butter form kind of a thing. So
Absolutely.
you can use
Absolutely.
it many times. So every day you can use it. That kind of a product. So at the end of the day, even before sleep, you can put it, and you will see the next day your lips are
Regular
absolutely down on it.
before sleeping, this is my lip pattern. In fact, right now, before applying a lipstick, I had this as a base, as a lip primer also. So I think this works in multiple ways. I would say
True, true.
multiple ways. Exactly.
So,
So that
so
is
this is a few stories of products. So that's how we try to bring in every product. So that has to be something meaningful to the customers. It has to be cost effective also on certain scale. Yes, definitely. For organic and good quality products, you need to pay a bit more than any other commercial products. But I believe the amount of things we spend on regular basis on us, right?
yes,
It deserves, things like face wash,
absolutely,
scrub, or lip care.
absolutely.
These things, your body deserve that. So you must take care of it. So that's how it is. So this is all about our product. So there are n number of products. We have specialty products. We have hair care regimes, advanced hair care regimes. We have advanced skin care also. So we are planning to launch products which are into the market which nobody else have seen. So those kind of pipelines. So because as our experience is growing, we are bringing more and more research into play. So those things
Yes.
are also happening. Yeah. So we are fingers crossed for future also. And anybody,
Let us
I
know. Let us know. Like what all products people can expect in nearby future, and what all, again, what will be the USP and the most attractive thing that will be there in the products, so that people could actually go for this. And I would actually recommend everybody, whoever wants, is giving a double thought of buying organic products and organic brand. This is why this platform is here, just to tell you about the authenticity and why you should go for local brands and support them, because they are so authentic, they're so true to their nature. So people should actually invest. That is why I think this platform has been created. And I think people actually want to know and hear from people who are creating those products like you. Since you're talking about it, it is the most authentic thing they can have. Like the ANQ is standing for its values. So that is, I think, the most good part
think
about it.
any product's quality is judged by the customer. So what I will suggest is, any one of you who is not happy with your existing products, right, or you want something which is much more natural or organic, You can
Yes.
try anything, from any random product from our kitty, and you will feel that yes, there is a difference. Why? Because that what I've told. It's all about how we are taking care of making that
Yes.
product, right? So
Yes.
let's say if I talk about, we have a huge range of facial kits. Okay, now facial kits concepts, mostly the facial kits are, in the markets are basically, chemical based, or not even chemical based, at least they are, they are synthetic based,
Yes.
those things,
True.
so what it
Absolutely.
happens, the bleaching effect or those effects will give you instant results, right? Any gold or diamond or kind of facial you
But
go and do,
the
you know
harmful thing is in the later time, they don't understand the effect it leaves.
and because of the nature and the toxicity of that product, it gives result after 3 days. So you
Yes.
need to understand that that's how it works. It will react to your skin, and then that many people say that dead skin go away and new skin
Yes.
comes in and those kind of things, but those things
That's
are,
just the thing they are facing. Yes.
now people have become very smart because of this age, digital
Yes.
age. so
Absolutely.
so when we
Absolutely.
when we started launching organic facial kits, so we tried to first maintain that most of the facial kit, they used to be in containers,
Right.
and once you use it, it gets contaminated. So then we
Right.
started bringing those products in tubes, right? So tubes, it's like once a use, and it will, it's a air vacuum kind of a thing. So it will
Right.
never get contaminated, and you can use
Okay.
it at least 5-6 times. That is number
Okay.
one. Second, we thought of, bringing everything into organic. So what
Right.
happens is, instead of giving an instant, result in terms of brightness, right? It will give you a glow which will remain for a longer period of time. So day
That
you
is what.
use,
Yes.
immediately it will start glowing your skin, because that nourishment means a lot. The massage cream and those, the scrub and everything which goes along with it, that itself will give you that glow, because your skin, the formulation of your skin
Yes.
and the product's formulation, we tried to make it as similar as possible,
Right.
so that gets
Absolutely.
absorbed. And one most unique thing what we will find in any of our product is, any of our product gets absorbed within 15 to 20 seconds max to max,
I
completely in
agree.
the
I agree. I've been using a face moisturizer, Moringa one, and it's amazing because I just now before applying the makeup for the live, I have used this as my makeup base. So I think I can swear by this product for sure. That's crazy. It's amazing.
True, true. So those things are very important. So, when you use a product, it should not stick, it should not come into your hand, it should not
I'm
increase your
very
sweat.
annoyed if a product is happening such I will never use it again. So when Karan had sent me this product and I said no, I'm not gonna try it. I don't know how it feels. But the very first use, Arnab, I would say, to be honest, within like 2 or 3 seconds, it get absolutely absorbed and inside the skin. That is the most beautiful thing about the product. Totally
And
amazing.
even that product, the base ingredients in that product is moringa. So moringa is something which is a very scientific product,
Yes,
known from ancient times of our Ayurveda, right?
yes, yes, yes,
So Bengalis call it Sojne Data and Sojne Pata
yes,
kind of a thing,
yes,
right?
yes,
So that
yes.
is that is something which is amazing. Even the dry powder of that,
Mhm.
if you
Yes.
can check somewhere, you will find that the product immediately absorbs in the skin, okay, and it will gives you an instant glow.
Yes, I mean, moringa has been known for its medicinal value since Ayurveda. We have a lot of things that moringa works for, not just for skin, for stomach, intestine, digestion things. There's a lot of things that it works for. So yes, Ayurveda has those, organic products, and Ayurveda has that power to do things.
It has all the essential vitamins, all the essential necessity things for your skin. So that's why, so we used to first, when we started the company, we started with raw powder. So we used to organically get it from a organic farming, and we used to use it raw on the face
Okay.
with a paste, okay. And when we thought of making a product, we thought that why not we use it in a product, and the result was amazing.
All right. So we have a comment. Neha says the product is awesome. Oh my God. Okay, Urvashi says vitamin C crime is superb. So we have already started getting reactions from people here. They already are a big fan of your products. They're already putting up their comments that it's superb, it's amazing. Wow, that's so good. Urvashi, Neha, thank you so much. And do try the other products from ENQ because I myself have been using some products and truly it's awesome. It's awesome.
So just to add here, as Annabda mentioned that we have the organic score mentioned. So just to
Yes.
add that our lip balm is 100% organic and natural. the serum is 98% organic and the day cream
Yes.
is 75% organic, and that is mentioned on the label as well.
Yes, that's true. So, Karan, could you just rotate your camera to portrait mode so that people can see you more straight and clear?
Is it fine
Yes.
now?
Good, nice. Yes, absolutely fine. I could see you more better in a way. Okay.
So, I think there's a lot. So over a period of time now, we have catered more than almost 500,000 of customers till now in last 4.5 years. We have a
Yes,
very good feedback data also. Most of the products are having an average 4-star rating. That is again something good,
that's
which we
great.
are looking positively. And so that's how it is. You make a good product. You try to
Yes,
be. Don't
yes,
run to make it a success, but rather than value it, so that product values back. And once your customer is happy, nobody in the world can mold them. So once you are satisfied with one product, even if any celebrity comes and tell you that this is good, they will not listen to it. that
yes,
that is how we
yes.
value our product. So that is how we are working.
Right. Say the other product also works good. Yes, Urvashi, I think you're absolutely right. People are putting up their comments and they are liking the products, and that's the truest review that we can have, of the product from the people,
Yes.
who are using it in everyday life. I think that's the true authenticity that works for the product. I think nothing more can prove than this, because we are coming up live. We are talking in front of people. We are talking about the products and brand, and the brand talks, like if you have any problem, you can actually get back to them. I think no other brands does this, Arnab. Truly, no
Yes.
other brand does this, that you
So
can
you can
actually
just go
ask
into
them
our
to come
page and
to.
yeah, you can go to
Yeah,
into our page and put a message. Anybody like who is listening to us, that if you have any requirement, any help you need in terms of both, in terms of product, in terms of entrepreneurship, we are just a message away. So we our team will definitely arrange, align accordingly. We'll talk to the experts. They will guide you. The best part is most of the work is done by people whom we have already, like Karan, people like Karan or many others who are actually growing themselves also. They're helping people also. So you don't need any more advertisement than that. If you have people whom you are helping and they are doing it for you. So
yes,
that's how we are working, and we are very happy. And another thing is that what I will again add to you is that, see, any product in this world, they will have a ratio, where people will not be liking that product also. It may be the best product in the world. It might not suit few, but that doesn't, a person should not get disheartened as a businessman also. And even as a customer also, you should not be worrying much, because see, if overall, as I told you, if your segment is correct, if you are using organic product, if it can maximum give you a bit of skin burning effect for once, if it is not suiting you, nothing more than that. Okay, so you can be rest assured that even in the worst scenario also, if you're using good products, good quality products, be it any brand, so you will always be at a upper edge. So that is my suggestion to everybody. Just try to increase the value of your skincare regime and hair care regime, not just because it is my brand and I want to sell it. It is just because that it will help you in your life.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Yeah.
ओके उर्वशी, थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल दीजिए. उर्वशी, मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि थैंक यू सो मच जो आप ENQ के ब्रांड्स के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कर रहे हैं, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आप इसके सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करिए एंड आपको वाकई में इसका जो इफेक्टिवनेस है समझ में आएगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू से. एंड उर्वशी, हमारे साथ अभी जो आप फ्रेम में दो लोगों को देख पा रहे हैं, one is Karan, who is like working for the products, and other is Mr. Arnab Sengupta from the brand the ENQ, जिनके साथ हम ये लाइव कर रहे हैं जस्ट टू इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आके हम ENQ ब्रांड के बारे में बात करने की कोशिश करें, क्योंकि कई बार लोगों के कई सवाल होते हैं, शिकायत होती है कि हम ही क्यों ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट्स क्यों खरीदे, ऐसे तो बहुत सारे ब्रांड है, हम ट्रस्ट कैसे करें. तो मैं बस आपको ये बताना चाह रही हूँ इस प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए कि ब्रांड कितना ऑथेंटिक है, इस ब्रांड के प्रोडक्ट्स कितने ऑथेंटिक है, और जो टीम, जो लोग इसके पीछे हैं, जो इस पर दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं, वो आप तक एक ऑर्गेनिक और नेचुरल स्किन केयर अपने ट्रू फॉर्म में लाना चाहते हैं. ये इनका मोटिव है. अदरवाइज जो प्रोडक्ट अपने आप में बहुत इफेक्टिव है, आप जब एक बार ट्राई करेंगे तो आपको और किसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट की जरूरत नहीं होगी, जैसा कि मिस्टर सिंह गुप्ता ने कहा है. तो एवरीबडी हु इज वाचिंग or who has not yet tried the ENQ, this platform on this live is just to tell you about the product. Karan, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे इस पर?
बस मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगा कि प्रोडक्ट्स मैं भी व्हेन आई फर्स्ट जॉइन, आई थिंक दिस इज माय थर्ड ईयर विद द एनक्यू. मेरा भी फर्स्ट टाइम when I interacted with one of the directors, I was also, little concerned about the quality and all. So
Yes.
what I did was I used their product first before joining, and then
Right.
जैसा नहीं आपने कहा कि immediate result आया, then
बिल्कुल.
उसी प्रकार से then I took first product, उसके बाद एक और product लिया, उसके बाद third one is lip balm. So and the latest one is Moringa face polishing kit which I have. So
Okay.
totally 4 products in my kitty, and I'm very much satisfied with the quality. So yeah.
So
So
true. That's
anybody
true.
who is going for
Nabda, we lost you.
I think network is falling, but not an issue. I think he'll be back. Yes, he's there.
Yeah, so I'm saying that anybody who's going for a party or any kind of festive, so this is festive season, you know. I'll you can use that polishing kit for once, and you will see that like you are ready to go. So that kind of a product it is. So again, while making a polishing kit, our objective was not to make something which will make you glow like an advertisement. You know, it is more like an internal internal feeling of being happy with your skin. So
Absolutely.
or hair for that matter. So that is how this product is, and it's an amazing product. So this product is still very niche, very new. Many people started using this product now. But again, I'll suggest you also and anybody who is looking at a polishing kit. Your thought process about polishing kit will change. That is why
Definitely,
we have launched. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to try more of your products because I have already loved the 3 products. Looking forward to get hands on other products and use them and try it for sure and let people know about it more and more. That is for sure. Because you try to know the product, everything you know. And also after this live, we'll be sharing the page link also in my video so that people can actually check on that and you can directly go to the page and check out the product. So that is definitely we're going to do. And also the brand will be tagged over here, so आप directly page पर जाके brand check कर सकते हैं, product check कर सकते हैं. So everything that we are regularly posting up on this, so people can come up on the page, contact the page, pick up the products. Amazon पे available है, so easy like Amazon everyone knows. हर कोई Amazon पे अभी shopping कर, so I think that's the most easiest way. आपको सिर्फ Amazon पे जाना है, the link will be there and आप product खरीदिए and use करिए. Okay. Swati has written Tales by Swati Moto loves every product by you guys. Thank you, Swati. That is a great feedback. That is such a positive and great feedback. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati.
Yeah, that's a great thing. I mean, people are putting up their honest feedback, and that is one success that we are having this live. And I think that's the most best thing, that it's a success because people are liking the product and they're giving feedback. I think that is our concern, that people should use and try and know about the brand and product, right?
This is the best thing to get after years of hard work. When the customer or anybody from that matter, tell it.
Yes.
But I will share an interesting story. When we started this,
Yeah.
the most difficult customer is your family or people whom you know, right?
So can you make your family try the products?
Yes. So I'll tell you how we test our product. So why we make sure, how we make sure our product. So once the product is made in the lab, when the research, the samples are made, the first guinea pigs are we directors of the company. So we try the product first. Our family people, then the second line of usage. Third is our lab staff and our HO, head office staff. So all of us try the product for a week, okay, and we give our own genuine feedback. And now after using so many products, we are also very knacky about things like I don't like this or that, or I have to be more perfect. So that is something here.
When you started on with this experimenting with your family,
sorry, I lost a bit of network issue. Please come.
Yeah. No, I am just asking कि जब आपने family members को दिया प्रोडक्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए इनिशियल स्टेजेस में, तो ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपके फैमिली में से किसी ने कहा अरे ये क्या मुझे दे दिया, मेरा स्किन खराब हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, ऐसा सिचुएशन, फनी सिचुएशन रहा है?
अभी भी होता है। अभी भी होता है जब हम सैंपल
Okay.
देते हैं ना, अगर जरा सा भी 19-20 हुआ, एंड दे आर द पीपल हु आर हाई, मतलब हम लोग भी चाहते हैं, दे आर द मोस्ट क्रिटिकल पीपल। सो वो ऐसा नहीं है कि
Right.
यहाँ ठीक है तुमने बनाया है बेटे तो अच्छा ही बनाया होगा, तो वो नहीं चलता यहाँ
Right.
पे। तो पीपल आर वेरी मच पर्टिकुलर, और घर की खेती है, सो यू अंडरस्टैंड, वो बोल ही देते हैं मुंह पे कि अरे क्या बना दिया ये, right? So and see, we basically we all three comes from a very humble background. So वो जो
Right.
एक्सपोजर होता है ना रिलेटेड टू कॉस्मेटिक्स और पर्सनल केयर,
Yes.
वो इवन पूरी फैमिली ट्री में नहीं था कभी। तो
Okay.
उससे फायदा क्या होता है कि यू गेट अ वेरी जेन्युइन कॉमन मैन फीडबैक
Right.
from people,
Absolutely.
right? I know, but after a couple of more years the things will change, because now we are more into those commercial
Yes.
things and people know
I'm
what is
getting into
cosmetic.
that expert. So now we can rely on you, on your feedback and tips.
Yes, but initial days that was the only benchmark or the guideline which we had,
Right.
because अगर खुद को ही नहीं पसंद आया तो वो दूसरों को तो फिर
Exactly. I
वो
well,
काम नहीं आए,
yes. Yes.
right?
If
So
you're
that is
happy with yourself with the product, I think I would not suggest anyone to go for this to do this. That will definitely not happen. So once you're self-satisfied, once you're happy with the thing, then actually you should go for this definitely. So that is
yes.
one thing that works very well.
That is what, so we launched in the initial days, we launched an hair tonic, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
हाँ, तो हम लोग क्या था, the background which we come from, वहाँ पे ऐसा बोले, I suggested this product, somebody asked me कि कितनी बार पीना है दिन में, so
Okay.
that is the level
Okay.
at which we used to get feedback. So then we thought
Okay.
of, okay, that is something which common man can get confused also, like they don't have that
Right.
knowledge. So that's
Right.
where we started, giving those knowledge-based, things to people. So we try to make sure that every product comes with a proper description, proper usage, so that they never get confused. So that's how we are. So that's how human beings we are.
Yes.
But yes, at the end of the day, when people like, Swati and everybody was told that they have used the product, they like it, so that is what we live for. So that that is the best thing
Yes,
we can do.
absolutely. I think end of the day, positive feedback works, and that is what makes you give that, that the kind of inspiration to get more better and more best of products for people. So even I think the kind of feedback people give, it makes me happy that I got in touch with a good brand and an authentic brand that is working for people genuinely, and people are getting the result. So I think that's how my work is done over here. I feel happy about this that yes, people are liking the product, and I can myself, promote it on a platform. So that is great. And I mean, thanks to you for creating such authentic products. And you should keep doing this. More and more authentic products seem to be
Yes,
required.
we are planning to. We have big plans coming up. One hint I can give you that, yes, very near future we will be having some exclusive stores which are coming up
Wow,
for us.
that's
We
great.
are planning, so one starting from, hopefully, from Calcutta, and then we'll
Oh,
move
that's
to
amazing.
Hyderabad too.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, I have
So,
super, connection with Kolkata, being a Kolkata girl. So the instant you said that you're in Kolkata, I was in such a happy frame of mind. I was so nostalgic about it that I can't be there.
yeah,
But
once
yeah,
you like
Kolkata is
once you talked about Kolkata, it started raining. So that's how it is.
yes, I know. So the happy vibes and Pujo vibes is there in my mind since the days. So yeah, it's very
Yeah,
nostalgic.
yeah. It's amazing. It's an amazing. So I am basically from UP. So I Allahabad. So I'm a bomb, but from Allahabad. So recently, 3 years back, I have came to Calcutta because we have the maximum people, customer base coming from Calcutta, as well as the entrepreneurs. Lot many,
Okay,
right? And then next is Hyderabad. So that's why we had a corporate office here. So I take things from here. My other two partners from Surat. Everything is from Gujarat, Surat. So
right.
that's how it is. So that's why now I am into the Kolkata. I am almost 80% Kolkata guy right now.
Oh,
So you
but
can
now,
say
of course, you're Bengali, so you can you can understand the kind of vibe Kolkata has. And I
that.
was born and brought up and studied, everything is done in Kolkata. But I, got married here and I'm in Delhi NCR now. And I'm
True,
not
true,
going
true,
back to Kolkata for Pujo. So I really miss the vibes over there. And I really, really miss those vibes.
true, true.
I'm But I will tell you something, the crowd of Kolkata and the people, the ladies out there, they are more in experimenting products and brands. And if they find something very, very amazing, I will tell you they're bound to get, stuck by that brand and they will swear by that product and they will use it. So that is the kind of crowd and, they are into like that thing should work for them. That is the and I think all the ladies, all the females, who are into the skincare things, they need product that should work for them. And I think we're doing that very efficiently. And I think ladies are picking up their
That's why
feedback.
you see the most of the new brands which have popped up are doing very well in this
Yes,
particular part of the world.
yes,
So
yes,
that's how we also got a very so we have a very much connection with Kolkata in terms of our brand also. So that's
yes,
why the day we decided that we'll go for stores, the first place was Kolkata, and the
yes.
second which is Hyderabad. So because we have a lot many people from Hyderabad, like people like good people
Okay.
like Karan, and there are very many more, and customer base is also very good. Bangalore, Hyderabad are the two big places again. So they are loving the product. So that makes our job very easy because if the culture is there, to use good products, good care to your skin, so
Yes.
it is our job becomes very
And
easy.
nowadays people are very, aware of these organic things. They're into studying and researching things before buying. So we will say that our people, our consumer is very, very, बहुत सोच समझ के वो प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हैं and they are aware कि उनको क्या लेना है. And the paraben thing जो आपने mention किया, मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले ही realize किया once I started, studying about this skincare and makeup and I started realizing this. What parabens are, sulfate-free shampoo, paraben-free skincare. So people are very aware and they are looking for products which is, free of all these. So the client is very intelligent and they know what products to look for. That is for sure. They know.
There are few brands which are completely on the basis of parabens and non-parabens and non-sulfate. So there's a lot of options these days, and because
Yeah.
they are promoting their brand, so people are getting more aware. So
Yeah.
because paraben was something which I didn't knew before 2017, so it was the
Exactly.
first time
I
I
didn't know
realized.
before I started, getting into this digital media thing. Even I had no idea. I was like randomly buying things and using it. So
So
I didn't understand about it.
I have never watched a background of the product, the label of the product behind. So never,
Right.
ever.
Right.
So now because when I realized,
Till now.
yeah, so somebody told me that this highest breast cancer cases which was found. So in the research, they found that paraben. So and it is nothing which we consume or get it from anywhere else. It is mostly
Right.
from the cosmetics and the personal care which we use.
Yes.
So that actually made us think on a very serious note that
Absolutely.
are we just going by television and TV ads, or we are seriously taking care of us. So
Yeah.
once this pandemic happened again, there's a huge shift of offline customer base to online.
Yes.
Once you get into online, you have that freedom to explore things because there are a
Yes.
lot many brands which you can see on one place. So that is creating more awareness in the market. That is the best thing.
Yes.
And you type it on the Google, and Google will give you everything in
So even
return.
as soon as the pandemic came, I think most of us started exploring everything online, be it a smallest little thing to anything that you want. So people are more aware because of this online thing, all thanks to Instagram and Facebook and Amazon and all social media sites. I think हम लोगों ने ज़्यादा explore किया है products को, brand को, and मैंने भी शायद देखा है पहले कि अच्छा I know about this brand, मैंने ये brand देखा है, I can try this brand. So that is how you're creating awareness about it. So that is one amazing thing about
One more one we have seen over the past couple of years is, this Instagram and this once that TikTok came in the market for become very popular. There's
yeah,
a lot of many youngsters who are now turning into influencers. They could
yes,
realize that they have the power to be the mouth on the eyes and the ear of the market. And because of that, what has happened is the penetration has got into much deeper. See,
yes,
in today's world, if you see any big celebrity giving an ad, you also know that he has been paid.
yes,
He has been paid for doing something what he
yes.
even doesn't think of.
Agree,
People
agree.
doing advertisements of gutkas also,
Yes,
or which just because
absolutely.
of
Yes.
commercialization. Yeah.
Hmm.
But when this influencing thing came upon, when you know the person next door and she or he is a influencer and he is telling you about something, you will take it more seriously. You will
Yes.
at least feel that yes, that person must have used it. You can see the results and then you can try. So that has actually changed a lot of mindset of the people, and that's how our products are. When we see, most of the products are being either reviewed by common people, customers, new influencers who really want to try something new, good, and that's where our strength lies. So we are trying to cater that market, which has volume. It can be more trustable. So that is why we are not into those kind of very high commercial kind of things. We are very much into the ground level.
And I
So
think
and that is giving
that
us a good
adds that
result.
authenticity to the brand, that gives the value that it is true to its name and its nature. And I think people actually connect on that level. It's very
Yes,
important. I
that
somehow feel,
connects us to
people
it.
connect on that level because they know that using or he's using, so we can give it a try for sure. That is what I see. And I see someone on the digital platform, I think, Arey, also she's using, and then why should I should also try it. So that is how I started working for local brands, and people have, अच्छा, they know me and they ask me, अरे आप एक review कर दो, आप मुझे किसका एक refer बता दो. Should I go for that? I said, of course, when I'm trying it, you definitely go for that. That is how, one by one you connect and people can see कि अच्छा, they are trying, मतलब we can go ahead. There's no problem. See them, they're absolutely doing fine on that. That is how it connects, and I know it is great talking to you, Arnab. And you're driving all the way and talking. That was, I know it is difficult, but thank you for taking us time and joining us live for the brand and being the puja vibe. I can understand today.
It's
You're on
really
the road driving.
talking to you all. Yeah.
And Karan,
Thanks,
आप
Karan,
क्या बोलना
because
चाहेंगे?
he took that initiative. Karan was very much excited to
Yeah.
connect and everything. So I was actually not I was apprehensive like what kind of event it is, but he told me that this is something what you guys do, and I think that is a very good initiative that you can talk to more people in a true to bring the truth of the brands to the customers.
Yes, I think thank you so much, Arnab. This was last year when I was stuck in home. I just randomly started talking to some brands, and I got some brands from Delhi, from Pune, from Bangalore, and they were all female entrepreneurs, and they got connected. कि अच्छा आप ऐसा करते हो, मैंने for anything paid or something. It has to be genuine. I will try. I will see, and then only I'll post. Be it whatever. आप मुझे 2 लाख भी दे दो, तो I will not do that. So they were like, no, 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 that's completely fine. I can understand. Like, see, I am not into because of money, because I want to do this thing. I want to promote local brands because I've seen, बहुत सारे known थे लोग जिनके brands थे, उनको पता ही नहीं कैसे promote करना है. So I thought कि I was into media and I said कि let's do something like this and let's help each other during this time. And that is how it started. So yeah, I just got into this and started talking to brands, and randomly Karan ke साथ भी contact हुआ, and he said about these brands. So मैंने कहा let's do it. Let's do this thing. Why not? So that is how trouble videos and collabs to the brand more and more. Let's see more people get connected to the brand. That is what we work for. All right. So Karan, क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप बहुत silent
The moment when you pitched in this idea of going live, I was actually worried.
okay.
मैंने कभी ऐसा लाइव किया नहीं है बिकॉज बीच में भी मैंने आपको काफी क्वेश्चंस पूछ लिया था कैसे करना है क्या है एंड
जी जी
आई ऑलवेज वांटेड वन ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स टू बी देयर विथ मी टू सपोर्ट मी बिकॉज द वे अर्नब दा एक्सप्लेन आई कुडंट हैव एक्सप्लेन इट बेटर he's the backbone of the company, and I'm thankful to him that he has joined us today on this session, and I'm looking
yes
forward for more of such sessions going
yes.
forward as well.
Absolutely. I think Arnav was great, and I think the way, I mean, since he's one of the founders, nobody can explain better than him. और जिस तरह से उन्होंने सारी चीजें बताई, I think वो बहुत जरूरी है लोगों को पता है ब्रांड कैसे काम करता है और उसकी वैल्यू किस तरह से खड़ी होती है, तो आई थिंक अर्नब आपने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. People know the brand because of this, so that is what we do.
So thanks for those kind words. Yeah, see you guys.
And I hope you have a great Pujo stay at Kolkata and have great weekend and great puja ahead. All of you, happy Durga Puja, happy Navratri, and we hope this positive thing can create more positive things in our life. Both professionally and personally. That is what I would wish for everybody.
Sure, sure. Same
Thank
to
you.
you. Same
Thank
to
you so
you.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, thank you all of you who has joined, Amit, Sneha, everyone जो भी हमारा लाइव देख रहे हैं, wish you all a great पूजा, very happy नवरात्रि, and of course हम इस वीडियो को अभी थोड़ी देर में IGTV पर भी पोस्ट करेंगे, we'll have the link, तो आप डायरेक्टली जाकर लिंक से खरीद सकते हैं, व्यू कर सकते हैं, and हर वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ मिल जाएगी, and we are looking forward to more such live, and we hope कि हम ऐसे और लाइव बनाते रहेंगे ब्रांड के नए प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में कि आपको और ज्यादा अच्छा हो जाए.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely. All right. See you, Arnab. See you, Karan. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Everybody who joined us. Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you.
bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Happy Navratri.